Chico, you better start looking for somebody else. I don't think I'm going to be able to make it tonight anymore.
Up to you, Danny-O. No complaints from this end. You do your work good.
Yeah, well, the old man came home with a job today, and we made kind of a deal. I mean, he goes to work, and I go to school. You know how it is.
Not really. I got an old man, just give him a jug of wine, he's happy.
Hey, Danny.
What's the matter, trouble?
No, we're gonna divvy up in the alley later. That fence gave us over 90 bucks. What'd I tell you, huh? Well, hello, Mr. Fields.
Hello there.
Could I get by, please?
Don't you,
You? That's Maxie Fields. That's your boss. Are you crazy? Hey, Mr. Fields, how about that, huh?
Who's this guy, Ronnie?
The king of Yugoslavia. How should I know?
Take your hand off my arm, Mr. Fields.
How come you're so friendly with the lady, boy?
Well, we met in Paris last year. The King of France introduced us.
You're a pretty fresh boy, aren't you?
Mr. Fields, how about that job? And when are you gonna put me on that payroll?
Yeah, I'll let you know, Shark.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Fields. Thank you.
Hiya, Maxie.
All right, kid.
How you feeling? Same as usual?
What's the matter with you? You looking for an early grave? He's your boss. Him you don't fool with.
Well, why not? I'm the king of Yugoslavia.
No, he is. He's the king of everything. And he even owns the air you're breathing.
Only in here.
Out there, too, Danny, he can shut off real quick.
Why does a busboy look at you like that? Busboy. Where did you meet him?
Maxie, you're hurting me. I don't know what you're talking about.
You know the kid. Don't lie to me. I'll break every finger you got.
Maxie, stop it, please. I heard him sing a song, that's all.
Oh. You do know him?
He sang here once for your big shot friends. Told him he had a nice voice.
That was all, huh?
That's all.
Hey, you, kid. Come here. Yeah, you, busboy. Come on over here. Lady tells me you sing, that right?
Well,
Well, better be right, because if it ain't, then the lady is lying.
Okay, I'll sing. So what?
Nothing. Just want to make sure she was telling the truth, that's all. Hey, Jimmy. Just a minute. I want to make sure you're telling the truth, too. I'd like to hear you. Go on up there and sing a song for me.
Now?
Yeah, now. Right now. And you better be a singer.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a little surprise for you. There's a great new singer here tonight, the busboy. No, on the level. A very good friend of Mr. Fields says this guy can really go. So let's all get together and give a real good listen to, what's your name, kid?
Caruso.
Caruso, the busboy. Come on.
If you're looking for trouble, you came to the right place. If you're looking for trouble, just look right in my face. I was born standing up and talking back. My daddy was a green-eyed mountain jack because I'm evil. My middle name is well, I'm evil, so don't you mess around with me. I never looked for trouble, but I never ran. I don't take no orders, no kind of man. I'm only made out flesh, blood, and bone. But if you're gonna start a rumble, don't you try it all alone, because I'm evil. My little name is Marie. Well, I'm evil. mess around with me. I'll evil like you be. I'll evil like you be. So don't mess around with me. I'm evil. So don't mess around with me. I'm evil. I tell you I'm evil. So don't mess around with me. Yeah.
You're a singer, kid. I just got a dirty mind, that's all. Sorry, kid.
Yeah.
Crazy, Daddy, crazy.
Presley. That was a great song.
My coat, kid.
I sure will.
That was swell. My name's LeGrand. You want to stop being a busboy?
I just stopped.
I'd like to talk to you. I own the King Creole down the street.
Well, good for you.
Yeah, it's a dying swan, but I figure maybe we can put you over and bring the swan back to life. You interested?
Hello, Charlie.
Oh, hello, rat.
What's the matter, kid? Can't you stand a whiskey down at your joint?
Well, I always like to see what the competition is doing.
I was going to offer the kid here a little job myself.
Well, I beat you to it.
Yeah, you always do, Charlie, but I wind up with him sooner or later. He handled Ronnie when she was a singer. Now I do.
What do you say, kid?
I got a date.
How about one on me, Charlie boy?
Another time.